Litecoin price prediction today is getting on the positive side, as you can see that the market right here, it's taking another turn today on this particular candlestick. Remember in my previous videos about Litecoin, I told you that the market was in a strong downtrend that is going to crash, and you can see that it has crashed right up to this very moment here, which is pretty much amazing. But today we're noticing that the market actually started at a point, market opened at a point where it recovered from yesterday. You can see that yesterday the market crashed up to 89.35. Let me zoom so you could see this clearly. The market crashed up to this point and then it recovered to this point where it actually opened up for today. And if you see, the market is already trying to retrace. Let's pull up a Fibonacci retracement level and see if the market is truly retracing right now. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, kindly subscribe and always turn on your post notification for more videos like this. So I'm going to pull up my Fibonacci retracement level from my recent lowest swing low, which I'm going to be picking this swing low to this swing high because that's about the highest high we have right now. So I'm going to be plotting my Fibonacci ratio from this position up to about this high. Now you can actually see that the market has already hit the retracement level. Oh, I think I even went so further away. Okay, but it's still very much okay. Okay, okay, yes, there. You can see that the retracement level has already hit the golden ratio point now, and that is the point at which the market is retracing right now. So possibly we're going to be seeing the Litecoin market push up in this direction, but we don't know how far it's going to go and how sustainable it's going to be. Because in the light of the previous crash we had, where the market came down to about this position 72.27, we've been expecting that the market is going to pump way up because this is like a position for more persons to actually come in, because the market currently now is leaving the downtrend. The market is a bit entering the uptrend. So right now we're going to be expecting more long position and more buyers instead of short positions and more sellers right now. Well, let's look at the 15 minutes chart and see what is actually happening, if what we're saying is actually corresponding. Right here on the 15 minutes chart, we can see that the market pushed way up from here. The market pushed way up and then retraced back, and the market is still retracing. That is just a 24-hour day frame, because what we looked at right now earlier before this is a one day frame, and this is a 15 minutes chart which shows you candles per 15 minutes. So it might be a bit complicated if you're looking at it in that regard. But nonetheless, if we look at how far the chart has fared so far, you can see that at some point it was way up and then it started crashing, but now it's coming up. You can see that it crashed to about 89.7, and yes, the same 89 here, 89.4, and it's going up, which is the retracement I'm telling you about. The retracement has happened today. It happened in this, starting from this position. This is where it happened, and the market is actually pushing up gradually. Tomorrow, we're probably going to see the market push up much more than it is right now, which means the market is going to appreciate to a position of about. Okay, the signal is a bit sluggish right now. Okay, it's up. So the market is gonna appreciate to about, let's say, 100 or 102, maybe in the next couple of days, just tomorrow or next tomorrow, or maybe in the next 3 days. But there is a possibility that the market might crash down, but we're not gonna rule that out. Everything is possible. But if you're trading right now, always dollar cost average. Don't always forget that. It's very important. It's very important. And don't forget, this is not a financial advice. I'm just a guy in his own space saying what he knows based on what he has studied so far. But if you find this content useful, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button and do turn on your post notification. And don't forget, Litecoin is a coin for the future.